let's talk about cold weather content. Doesn't feel like it quite yet in North Texas, but we will be shifting seasons into colder weather. So what does that mean for your marketing? Right now, you want to start thinking about getting out educational content to help homeowners take care of their homes in cold weather. So if you are a pool builder, think about the fact that you may have a brand new pool owner who has no idea how to take care of their pool in the wintertime in the event of a freeze. So this would be a good time of year to start putting out educational content as far as how to take care of your pool in the event of a freeze, as far as what you do with the filter, the pipes, and all the minutia there. And if you are a plumber, it's a good time of year to talk about reminding homeowners to take care of the exterior faucets, whether they cover them or unplugging the hoses or anything that's connected to the faucet, removing those so their pipes don't freeze. You can, if you're an electrician, a lot of times people this year will put up Christmas lights, and so you want to make sure that they are protecting their outlets and their breakers, especially if they're going overboard, like a Clark Griswold situation in Christmas Vacation. So really think about what can we do as a business to educate our homeowners now that the weather is changing, so heating and air can shift their focus over to how to take care of the furnace. If you are a garage door repair company, a lot of times when the doors freeze, they need your help. So it's a good time to make sure that you're still marketing to stay in sight and mind in these months. If you're thinking, yes, we do need to be doing this, but who has the time? We do. And we would love to meet you at your job site. We'll shoot videos, take pictures, and we do all of the posting for you so that you can focus on your trade. So if this sounds interesting, we'd love to meet. And remember, when you market with Mario, you profit with Mario.